Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to show you guys how to install Food++ by JackV24. It's a pretty basic mod and it's pretty basic to install as well. All you need is mod loader and mod, which is all in the description. All downloads are in the description. Oh, and if right for now, if they haven't updated it yet, you're gonna need to downgrade your Minecraft from 1.3.2 to 1.3.1. So I'll put this in the description. It's a downgrader. I'll go ahead and do it. Yes. Just downgrade it to 1.3.1. Change. Alright. Now all you do is open your Minecraft, run options, right below force update, game disk on drive. And what I did was I just made a shortcut to this, but I might show you guys later. And go to your bin, go to your Minecraft jar, and open it with WinRAR. Yeah, you're gonna need WinRAR or 7-zip too. Those WinRAR will be in the description as well. The download. And go to WinRAR. Open with WinRAR. And take mod loader. Well, first delete meta-inf right here. Right click, delete. Delete files. Yes. For that to be done. And take mod loader and open with WinRAR. And what you want to do is just drag, click, drag, drop. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to start up Minecraft. Keep your bin folder open. Start it up. Start up fine. Exit out. Go back to your bin folder. Go back to your .minecraft. And you should see a little mods folder come up. It just says mods. And just take your food ++, drop it in, and start Minecraft, and you are done. It is that easy. Alright guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.